What is up, you gorgeous, fabulous creatures, and welcome to a brand new year, a brand new episode of the all-new Losing It podcast. You're here with Kylie Pax, Australia's emotional eating coach, and I have a brand new message for you today. And listen, you better get your ass ready because this is what's happening. Today, we are talking about how you're going to get yourself motivated for 2024. And this is what it's going to look like. If you are sitting around thinking that just because it's January, you're going to get a fresh batch of motivation and you're going to totally change your life because a fucking calendar page clicked over. And I mean, listen, if you're as old as me, you remember when you used to get the calendars. I used to go to the the $2 shop, buy a damn calendar and pin it on my wall. Now you don't even have the satisfaction of peeling back a page. You just got to look on your iPhone and see the flicker of a date change, and you think in your delusional mind that is going to provide you somehow that change, that external change out there of a number changing in the digital atmosphere is going to provide you with a motivational reason for you to change your damn life. Listen, can you just take a breath and see how ridiculous that is? You know where your damn motivation is going to come from? It's going to come from you making a decision that this time, this year, this opportunity, you're not going to make excuses. You know why you're still stuck in the fucking position that you're in? Because you've made so many excuses your whole damn life that you now believe that they were valid reasons for you ending up where you are. I'm here to tell you they were never valid reasons. The only reason that you should be where you are right now is so you've got a fucking amazing story for when people start asking you on the street, oh my God, how did you change? Your friends see you, your family see you. How did you make that amazing transformation? Because you can tell them for the first time in my life, I stopped settling and making excuses and I got my ass up. I started doing what I always knew I needed to do, but the only difference was this time I didn't stop. When the voice in my head told me, just sit back, be comfortable, watch 2 more hours of Netflix and eat Cheetos, I said no. When the voice in my head said to me, you don't need to work out today, just sleep in, sleep later, I said no. When the voice in your head says, don't stop eating at 80% full, like Kylie tells you to do in her eating codes, keep on eating. It's yummy. It's delicious. If you don't eat it, the kids will eat it. If you don't eat it, it won't be there tomorrow. This time, I said no. That's how you're going to make the changes that you need to make this year. And here is the final thing I'm going to leave you with. This is what stopped me so many times all throughout my journey, was there was a fear. Of course, and this is very natural. What if it doesn't work? What if I do it and it doesn't work? What if I put in the effort and it doesn't work? I want you to reframe that shit because that is simply another pathetic excuse and reason to stay stuck. There is no what if this doesn't work. There is none of that. That doesn't exist. There's only alignment. That's the only question you need to ask. Am I aligned with the outcome that I want or not? Am I putting in the work? Am I putting in the effort? Did I get Kylie's free course? And if I did, am I fucking doing it? Am I following her eating codes? And if I'm not, why the hell not? Look, I'm going to say this. I did mention it last week. You know this brand new year is here. If you want me to kick your booty into gear, I will do it. Like, really, don't mess with me because you know I'll do it. Brand new group coaching is open for my inner circle. This is the experience that you've truly been praying for. And not only that, I'm offering a huge discounted offer because I want to make this so accessible for everybody. If you are having any second thoughts and you're thinking, I want to do this, but I don't know. I want to do this, but I've tried shit before. I like her vibe, but what if? Come DM me over on Insta, hit me up, let me work this out for you because we will find a way to make this happen. If you're going to use finances this year again as a reason not to change, message me because I will make it work for you. I will just find a way to make it work, whatever it takes. Okay. And so now you hear me really calm because my heart goes out because I know I've been there for so many years. I have been stuck. I do understand. I know what it's like to want something so bad that your teeth hurt, but you feel like I don't know that I can really budget for this or what. It's not even fucking expensive for me to pull your ass in line and get you the results that you want. You want to do it for 4 weeks? We'll do it for 4 weeks. You want to do it for 4 months? We'll do it for 4 months. But we are going to do it until you see the results that you came here for. I'm sending you tremendous amounts of love, and I will see you all again next week. Come find me over on Insta at Kylie Pax, or just head to my website, kyliepax.com. I will see you soon. Until then, gorgeous ones, bye for now. Thank you so much for tuning in. Remember to shimmy your butt over to kyliepax.com and sign up for one of my programs so you can start losing your weight now. You'll also find helpful notes and resources in my past podcasts that will help you lose the weight without all the BS drama. I will see you next week.